Today, guys, we're gonna play.
Balik naman taon na akong uno, oy.
Okay, you guys, we're gonna play Uno again. So, okay. Time for. What was that? Now. I want the color. I'll pick here. Green. I want the
Green.
color green.
Green daw pa.
Oh!
Ayun, isaguli mo ha, oy. Palayo na.
Wait. Bro, guys. He literally just said the bad word.
Green.
Like, he almost said the bad word. My God.
Ikaw pa, number 5. Wala ka. Green. Green again. Number 3. Wala ka.
Wala.
Ikaw na niya. Nagkana niya green good.
Yes.
Green.
One.
Okay, number 1 niya.
Yeah, I don't have any. Oh,
Oh.
I'm so lucky.
Sa color.
I want the yellow one.
Yellow daw pa.
You got the
Butang
yellow
yellow.
one?
Butang yellow.
Oh.
Oy, plus
Double cards. Oh my God. No.
Plus 2 nun si ninyo. Okay, ikaw niyo, yellow.
Double reverse.
Oh, ikaw na sad. Yellow.
Okay, so I'm gonna pick.
Ano ka yellow?
Yeah.
Basta kay double reverse?
Oh, I got. Okay,
Ay, dili. Oo, pwede.
I'll pick the green one.
Oh, green daw pa.
Okay, I'm in the lucky side, but there's the lucky side and this is the poor side.
Okay, green.
Wow.
Ikaw na sad niyo.
Okay,
Green.
double reverse.
Ah, ikaw na sad niyo. Green.
Green. So my green turn, eh?
Green. Or number 9. Naka?
Oh, he got blue.
Blue.
Thank you, bro. So the magic katong anak. Today, guys. Okay, let me just show you this one.
Wala lang.
Oh my God, you only missed it even.